I'm Vedanand Singh and you are most welcome on my YouTube channel. I hope you are fit and fine. Today in this video, I'm going to do the question answer of the chapters. Unit name is electronic spreadsheet, and this is the exercise number 337. So we'll do all the question answer here of the topics starting MS Excel and creating workbook, editing and deleting data in a worksheet. See, the first number question, if you have the book of the Saraswati publication, you can open the page number 337. So the first question of this exercise is, what is use of MS Excel? Means what is the use of MS Excel? The first is data entry and storage. Second is performing calculation. Third is statistical analysis. Fourth is administrative and managerial duties. And the fifth is forecastings, and the next is calendar and schedules. These are the uses of MS Excel. The next question is differentiate between worksheet and workbook. See the difference. Worksheet, it is a single spreadsheet. It contains all information on a single page. This is a worksheet. And in workbook, it is a collection of spreadsheet in a single file. It is a file having the multiple spreadsheet which contain the information. These are the basic difference between worksheet and workbook. Now the next number question is third number question. What do you mean by cell in Excel? It is an essential part of Excel. It is rectangular shaped box. Next, it is the smallest unit of Excel spreadsheet. It is used for data entry, and that in one line interaction of column and cell is known as cells. Now the next is, what is the size of cells? Means actual size of a single cell is 8.43 character bytes. These are the exact size. Now the next question is, what is formula bar? Explain its uses. See, it is a toolbar at the top of the spreadsheet that lets us enter or view information in a cell. It displays the content of active cells. This is used to insert the function, define names, create name range, and review form. This is the basic definition of formula bar, and it is uses is this. Now the next 6 number question is, write the general step to enter text, number, and formulas in Excel worksheet. Means what are the steps? Means first is on the worksheet will go. After that, click on cell, type the numbers or text formula that we want to enter. Next one, click on enter or tab. So these are the basic steps. We have done this exercise. Now we'll meet in the next exercise. If you are new to this channel, never forget to subscribe and share. With this end, thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.